And this comes now for the final rise on one place. Okay, pizza. So because of all this folding and stretching and what did I do? Look. So how does the dough look like now?
A cloud.
Like a cloud. Let's have a try. With all the bubbles. Okay, now you stick your finger in and it's gonna stick. Yee. That's gonna be pizza dough. Let's fold it up and have dinner.
Delicious.
Okay, welcome back to Easy Dish.
Easy Dish.
Yeah, that's true. So today is sooner than I thought. It's like a kind of a reverse video because it wasn't really planned. We're gonna make sourdough pizza. So I made a little bit of yeast in it because I don't have time to let it proof for 2 days, something like this. So, but mainly contains sourdough, which looks quite good. Can you see my bubbles? The guys who follow me, you know, I actually have just one. It's a rye sourdough. Works for everything. We're not buying any tinned tomato base or something like this. We're gonna make everything by ourselves, but that's the easiest part and literally the easiest tomato sauce, and this is so delicious. And you don't have to cook it, you just easy, 2 minutes. So I'm using 2 beautiful Romano tomatoes. Grated garlic. Here you can go crazy, put in whatever you like, chili, whatever. Olive oil, some balsamico essence, oregano, salt and pepper. That's it. Let's cut those and grate it. That's it. And we're gonna just put this as base on the pizza, and it's mwah. Lots of garlic. Yeah, that's gonna be really nice together with the tomato. And then actually I like to put garlic on my pizza in any case, so I can skip this part then. 10 minutes, but watch it. Otherwise, watch it. Okay. Good thing about baking paper, how you put it in. Same way. Pull it out. Theoretically. Let's see. Stare pizza or stare pizza? So have fun trying. It's really easy and it's really delicious. So like I promised, to video on Monday. So I hope you can forgive me for the shortage of like 1 or 2 months. I love you guys and hopefully see you soon. Subscribe to my channel to never miss any videos. Wish you a beautiful evening. See you soon.